Good afternoon, I'm Brian Wilk. The county executive addressing the county's preparedness if there were to be a surge of positive cases in Erie County. Samir Nefsi joins us from the newsroom with the latest from the executive. Samir?
Yeah, that's right. County Executive Kathy Dahlkemper talking about preventative measures that the county is taking to stay ahead of any possible surge of COVID-19 here in Erie County, as well as testing. Positive cases of COVID-19 continue to soar across Pennsylvania, bringing the Commonwealth's total to 2,700 positive cases, with 533 new positive cases and 34 deaths. County Executive Kathy Dahlkemper saying a logistics team is looking at how to treat any possible surge, from personal protective equipment to contingency plans and quarantining.
Hospitals themselves are really the ones who ultimately have to make the decisions as to where additional capacity would go if they need that.
Adding, the Department of Health is working directly with hospitals to properly plan. As for now, the executive believes if we were to have a small surge of positive cases, the county would be able to manage them. However, if the surge were to be large, then it would be difficult. Adding, we would need the proper amount of beds, equipment, and staff to take care of patients.
That's why it's important that people keep themselves distanced from others, so that if somebody is working in those life-saving situations, that they themselves can hopefully stay well.
As we move through this pandemic, some counties in the Commonwealth are seeing their numbers double by day. With the number of positives, there are still many not being tested.
We just don't have enough tests. And this has been a problem in the United States since this COVID-19 pandemic became known to the world.
Further explaining there is simply not enough testing kits, from reagents to swabbing for mass testing.
I don't see it being resolved anytime soon. I think it's something that has to change for the long run, and we need to invest more in public health.
Dahlkemper also touching base on the stay-at-home order, adding we were talking about if it would be extended possibly if we do tend to see more cases come up, especially in Erie County. She's saying right now that is just a tentative date. Anything could happen between now and April 6th. Back to you in studio.
Thank you, Samir.